sexy.
Shut up, you don't know me. Square like the paper. Mr. P.I.G. Could I fuck